Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Ooh, welcome, welcome. Okay. Welcome back, YouTube, to another live stream. It's your boy, Chino. I'm happy to have you here watching me for another day. Live trading Nas and US30. Primarily US30, but it's neither here or there. Yesterday we caught some great sells on Nas yesterday. Very excellent sells. We were at like the top here selling. Sold all the way down. I could post the sorry. I could post the results so far on the account. Okay, there's no history. Well, I guess again, because they're saying there's no history, but we'll get back to that another time. I don't know why there's no history. I can just go to my journal and show you exactly what trades I took. I'll just swing my journal over here real quick. So yesterday we caught some amazing sells on Nas. We've seen sells here from the top of the break of structure. Boom, TP4 hit. TP like 6 or 7 was hit, but amazing trade. Beautiful day. For the most part, very happy with how the day ended. Very happy. For the past couple of days, my throat has been bothering me. So if you hear me talking like this in this like lower monotone kind of scrappy voice, I didn't just wake up. It's just my voice kind of itching me. So today is Thursday, December 7th. And let me just go back to the charts and we'll break down the charts together. So from the higher time frame, the highest time frame I usually go to is the 1 hour. Sometimes I look on the 4 hour, but very rarely would you see I'll do the 4 hour. But let's go to the monthly. From the monthly, you can see we just broke these highs. These were the previous higher highs. And that was that high from July 2023. In last month, November, the end of last month, we finally broke the highest point it's been all year, which was July 2023. And the highs of all times, which is December 21st, or December 2021, is very close and it's approaching. I don't know if it's just gonna go straight to take it out. I don't think that's what it's gonna do. It almost never does that. It usually break a high, come back, make a retrace, go back again, try to break the next high, make a retrace. Like you could see right here, in depth. You could probably see in depth structure on the lower time frame, but let me see on the weekly. On the weekly, you could probably see it better. This is the monthly charts. On the weekly chart, you'll see it better. So This was the highest point in 2021. You can see so the market would just trend lower. So it made a low, broke down, made a new low, came back up, retested, made a new low, came back up, retested, made a new low, came back up, broke this high, but it didn't hold. And it came back down, made a new low, came back up, broke that high. Now we're in a different market, came back down, retested, made a new low, came back up, new higher low, because it's a higher low because it broke these highs. But you can see, and then the market came back down to retest these lows and then broke the higher high, so we can see something like this, and then a new high breaking, and then the price just, the market trends. For the most part, it trends. If you look on the charts, it just trends. If you're a swing trader, you focus on trending markets. You focus on it going with the trend because it's easier to trade like that. It's way easier to trade going with the trend instead of fighting the trend, especially if you're a swing trader. I am not a swing trader. I'm a scalper, so I do counter trend trade a lot of the times. Sometimes I do go with the trends, but most time I do counter trend trade. Why? Because I'm in a trade less than an hour. And me being in a trade less than an hour puts me at an advantage because I know US30 can do a lot in one day, and I don't have to worry about holding a trade long term. So I just catch the short term moves, short term pullbacks, and then I'm gone. So on the 1 hour chart, you can see we were in this. Let's go back because I kind of. All right, you know what? I'll just redraw it because I don't feel like doing all of that work. Okay, so we're here. We're in this big consolidation zone, and then price finally make a break below. It made a break, kind of retested some area, made a new low. It might retest some area, make a new low, and start targeting these lows. So these lows were the lowest point of December, and then this yellow line is the line that it broke to make the new highs of the year. And it's right here, and then you can see all-time highs is right here. So we could possibly see a retracement to previous highs, use it as support, and then start to make structure back to the top. Today could be a sell-off day, seeing that we finally broke out of consolidation, but US30 does a lot within one day. It does a lot. So never underestimate what it can do. There's no extreme catalyst for the day, so I don't see something major happening to make markets behave in one way or the other. I just see structures breaking down. We have 8:30 news today. 8:30 news, which is unemployment claims, possibly could drop price lower, and we could possibly take advantage of price weakness if it shows based on the 8:30 news. Possibly, this is all hypothetically speaking. We don't know what's gonna happen. We just wait for our setup to happen, and then we execute. So that's the short breakdown of US30. Nas, I don't really want to break down Nas, but I'll go into it. Nas has been in a range bound for a long time, but it also is trending in a range. It's really crazy. So on the 1 hour time frame, not to confuse it too much, on the 1 hour time frame, you can see this low, came to this high, made a high, came here, made a new high, then it made a low. But it made structure before it made a low, but it made a low, came back up, made a low, lower high, came back up, it retested this lower high right here, came back down, broke. So we can either, it's in a tricky area right now because we actually don't know whether or not it wants to go up. We never know. But as far as a higher time frame goes, we don't know if it wants to go up. Where it's trading right now, it'd be a good area to sell. But for current day, price could either go up here, 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 here. There's so much areas that it could retest, and also there's no new big catalyst news to make it go in any one direction. But we might get a push higher to get them to push low, and that would result in a head and shoulders. Possibly, it could possibly result in a head and shoulders, um, and then we'll look for the price to go lower. These purple boxes are drawn on the 15-minute charts. I'm just marking out areas that I would be interested in. Like if price gets to that area, I'm looking for price to do something for it to trigger me into the market, right? But it's all about time and price. I'm waiting around a certain time for it to happen, and if it enters into this area, which is price, I'm looking for a certain pattern to happen for me to execute on the pattern. So really just a waiting game until at least 8:30. At least 8:30. I'm gonna wait until at least 8:30 news and let's see where the dust settles, and then I'm looking for my potential entries. Yeah, I'm looking for my potential entries around 8:30, 9:30, etc., 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 etc. Same with US30. We have these 15 minutes supply and demand areas. We see this area right here was used as support for a while. Going into London session was used as support. Came out, made a high, broke support, came up, started making some structure. It found some support, made structure off the support, came back as retesting with support. Now use as resistance. Maybe it holds as resistance. Maybe it just breaks through, goes to the next level. And then we're looking for that next level to be hold as resistance, have a breakthrough, hold as support, etc., 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 etc. It's very simple concepts. I like to keep my trading very simple. It might look complicated, but it's stupid simple. Like stupid simple. It's I would say trading is 90% psychology, 10% charts. So I'm looking at the charts right now. Anybody could do this. Anybody could break this down for you. Anybody could say, "Oh, from here, okay, get sell, etc., etc." But to execute on it, to be able to risk manage properly, to be able to not take more risks than you have to, etc. That's the skill. Execution is the skill. So how you execute, how you risk tolerance, how you manage the trade, how you react during what the trade is doing. That's all primarily risk. That's all primarily psychology, because anybody can play the trade. Anybody can see what the market's doing, but to properly execute on what you see and to properly manage risk, manage the trade, manage the idea, that's where the real journey begins. It's really just understanding yourself. Join my free Telegram. The link is in the chat box. on YouTube for like-minded individuals who want to grow together, learn together, share ideas, and overall become better traders, better. Just want a community. If you want a community to grow with, like, trading is so lonely. If you want a community to grow with, this is the community. We are, we are, we are one of the best. We're one of the best. I would say I started this community maybe a year ago, maybe last year around this time. I started this community last year around this time, or maybe a little earlier. So it's been a year since I had this community. It's been a year since I've been live trading and all that good jazz and all that stuff. And I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot. I've shared a lot. I learned a lot from other people. I've become a better trader. And like me sharing my trades live, sharing them in the chat, discussing ideas, getting feedback, etc., has made me an overall better trader. And now I'm connected with people who have similar goals, similar mindset, similar struggles. Seem like at the end of the day, the market's tough. And we all come down to the same problems. It's not reading the charts, because we all know how to read the charts. It's fucking easy. Easy as hell to read the charts. It's psychology. Mastering your mind. That's the hardest part. And that's the bottleneck for everybody. And that's usually where people connect. We connect on that point, because that's the hardest part. And that's the part that everybody struggles on. Everybody. It's like everybody struggles here. So you want to be a part of like-minded individuals. You want to be a part of a community that no negativity, no toxic energy. You get to be free. I hope you don't bring no toxic energy. You get to be free. Get to share ideas. This is the chat for you. Join up. 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 Hello. Join up. Hello. Join up. Hello. Join up. Join up. Join up. Join up. Join up. Join up. 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 Join up. 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 Join up. Up. Yeah, it's the right place to be, man. It's a lovely place to be. Put on my Spotify music and I'm gonna start relaxing now. It's time to relax and wait. Just wait. Is you fucking with me? Because I'm fucking with you. I mean, in the street. So what am I, a boo? I ain't got no time for you. No time. No time. No time. No time to you. I ain't got no time for you. So my time, ain't come. You know my mind. How? When you pass those low, what you asking for? I have to know. You asking for? You know I ain't get like you out of the city. But I'm all my boy, yeah, you just street. What I'm about to do? Oh, I'm down for you, no time. Baby, I'm down for you, no time. Ain't no time, boy. Don't go for time. What's the thing I ain't got? Yeah, some money in the block. You can try, man. What's that, my bird? What's good, Anil? It's good, my boy. We here. Another day. Let's get it. Let's make some money today, man. Let's get to a bag today. Yo. You. I ain't got no time for you. No time. No time. I ain't got no time for you. Come on. I'm trying to do all the way on there, baby. I ain't got no time for you. Come on, baby. Be trying to get to the bag, baby. Don't stress me. Don't stress me. I'm trying to get to the bag. I'm trying to learn this. I'm trying to be the best at this skill. Trying to be the best version of me. Don't stress me. Don't stress me. I can't do with the stress. Okay, okay. On the 15-minute on US30, you can see that this structure right here, the support, holding as resistance, price is kind of struggling. You can see this wicks. We have 8:30 in 5 minutes, but price is struggling. It's struggling to break it. But 9:30, 8:30 might just make it shoot up to the next zone or even past there. May even pass there. But yeah, it's struggling to break. I'm hoping to see a break. Right now, I don't need to pay attention to the 1 minute because I'm just not trying to get into the market. Not yet. The 1 minute is going to show me too much noise that I don't want to see yet. It's probably going to invoke emotion. Although I have discipline and self-control, that I'm not going to get into the market until I see what I want to see at the time I want to see it. It's not going to happen. We're not there. Not a band. Not around. Secret. Look at these wicks. Look at it. You can't break it. Struggling. It's really struggling right here. Not looking good. It might come back down and retest. retest this area before it tries again. Let's see, 8:30 in 3 minutes. Got some major news. Look on the 1 minute. Yeah, struggling. We got a little structure right here. 1 minute. Let's see. It might wick through it and then try to go back up higher. I see what you're doing in the nails. Yeah, see. Possibly could be buys on Nas. I see it too. On US30, not so much. As I said, you weren't here when I was doing it, but on a 1 hour, I could see structure possibly let it go up a little higher. Right, it got some areas that it can go higher too before it probably starts to break down, because it's still in a downward structure right here. You can see it's making structure downwards. It's been a downward structure right here yesterday. It came to retest this high right here, and it broke. It absolutely failed. So you can see when in here, that wick showed you right there. It demolished it. Went crazy down. So, and it was a high confluence area too. That's why when I took this trade, I wasn't confident in the trade. I'm gonna be honest, because I would have put size behind it. I didn't. But if I actually really analyze the trade, high confluence area, high probability area, all of that stuff, super high probability. And it went crazy yesterday. It went to TP like 6. Obviously, I didn't trade to TP6, but you know. I feel like I only want to ever touch Nas on high probability trades, like the highest. It's not the highest. I'm not really interested. Like even here, high probability. You could see. I don't know what news was here right here, but high probability. You could see that wick right there on the 1 hour high probability setup. Okay. Let me see what was here. No, why you did that? What day was this? This was December 1st. What news was on December 1st? We had ISM. That's light work. Let's see. Let's see if I can execute it on that day. We're gonna have a big drop NFP, possibly. High probability it could happen. Oop. Yeah, I couldn't possibly take a trade during this time. As you can see, big drop here. This was a 930 drop. Came back up, retested. It wasn't really much area for me to get a trade off of. I'm not gonna lie to you. Nah. Maybe here now. Maybe here. Maybe. But it's still not that strong. Maybe here. Possibly could have got a trade off of this. But this is hindsight, right? Hindsight is always 2020. Could I have been able to see this trade when it was happening? I would say this is the cleaner trade I would have took. But would I be able to see it when it was happening? I don't know. And what time would it start happening? 10:30? Nah, I wouldn't even be in this trade, but wouldn't even be at this trade at all. It happened too late. Yeah. it wouldn't have been a nice day. It happened way too late. But let's go back to US30. Ooh, you see what I said? It wicked it. 10:30. Let's go back to the 15-minute candle. Let's see what's observed. Let's observe. It got weak. It got weak around that area. It got weak around that 15-minute structure area. It got weak. Um, you can see the candles. Come on, fuck. See that candle? Wicks, wicks right here at that support area. Now turn to resistance. We see wicks, 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 wicks. And it finally turned around with that 830 news, but that shit was a weak. Come on, that shit was weak. So let's see, let's see. Like slow up. Ooh. Okay. Nothing really here yet to take. It's a waiting game as usual. Now we wait. Well, if you see something that you like, sure. Now I wait. Now I wait. It's a waiting game. This is the boring part. About to get some juice. I'll be back. What happened here? Okay, okay, okay. We got some volume for some reason. I still don't see anything clean, but we got some volume out of nowhere. Okay, okay. Let's see. Nas is getting closer to the area of interest for me. US30 finally broke that area with volume. Ooh, look at that. That 15-minute structure now is dead. Okay, put some volume behind it. Come on, baby. We had these wicks. Those wicks is out of here. That was just a minor pullback based on news. Minor pullback. Let's see if it aims here. If it goes for here, I'd be very interested in this area. This is London highs, high of the day, all that, etc., etc. And it also lines up with the low of yesterday. So the low of yesterday is right here. We're in the area of the low of yesterday, high of today. Ooh, that's a cuisine spot. I'll be very interested in that area. I want to see what happens in this area, coming in this area. Very interested. We can see on the 1 hour, the low yesterday closed here. It closed right here. So, ooh, it's a nice area. Nice, very nice area to short from. And if you could see, this is also the area it broke the consolidation. So it might be the retest of the consolidation. This was a consolidation for a past couple of days. Yesterday it finally broke. It came down. It might be the retest. It might be the retest it might be the entrance of back into the consolidation zone. Because we have FOMC on Friday tomorrow. So it might just go right back in the zone and just do dumb shit for the rest of the day and wait for Friday before it makes a move either direction. But I'm interested in that zone. That's the 1 hour highs, 15-minute highs, matched with the low of the day of yesterday. It's a lot of shit going on in that area. So I know it's gonna be high manipulation in that area too, but it's a nice area to start looking from for my personal strategy. Getting down. Okay, 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 okay. Aggressive volume, aggressive. Nice. Very aggressive. Nas touched the level of interest. Okay. Aggressive volume. Not sure where this shit's coming from, but aggressive. Hell no, little nigga but body. Wait, no. No hell no. So in the 15-minute, we reached this little structure level right here. That was support. So we came down, we made a low, came back, made a lower high, made a new lower low, lower high right here, came back down, break down. We had this consolidation for a little bit. Now it's making the structure back into those structure zones from yesterday. Very interesting area. Very interesting area. Very interesting area. I'm I would say this is an interesting area. It has many interesting areas for Nas. Many interesting because it was so trendy yesterday. So it has a lot of interesting areas. Personally, we even have this area right here that I'll probably be interested in too. We got structure points. Very interesting areas. I want to see how it reacts. That 1 hour candle is about to close. It's a very bullish 1 hour candle, so this might not even hold. This might not even hold up. It might just start going crazy, bulls. Yeah, we might be entering the consolidation zone. You going short on that area? Nah, it's the area is just an area of interest. It's not once it goes in there, I short it. It's just I'm interested. What does it do there? I'm looking at it as a point of reaction zone. It's like what if it reacts the way I want it to and start to make the structural patterns that I look for, I will take a short off of that. So yes, but other than that, it's just interesting. That's it. There's nothing really else there. There's nothing here for me to grab anyway. There's nothing. I don't see anything. If I got a sniper, I'm holding till NFP. Yeah, shit. If you get a sniper, right? Say, I don't know what you're trading. If you're trading Nas and you get a sniper on Nas, if you get like a sniper on Nas and it goes below these lows, Nick, you gotta hold that. Cause that's a head and shoulders. As you can see, I didn't delete these lines because I still want to remember the head and shoulders, but we have the break at the head and shoulders right here. That's a crazy move. It's a crazy move. Trust me, and it's not coming back. It could. Let me not. It could come back. But that's a crazy move. Crazy move. So if you get a sniper, I would say hold it. But leave some real size on it. Like leave at least like 50%. Because it don't make no sense. If you leave in 1% size, like I get it. It's practicing holding a trade, but you're not really getting anything from that. You're just holding just so you can say, oh, I'm holding this trade. Or you could just say, like, I'm practicing discipline, but I'm not getting nothing out of it. But I know Dre does that a lot. He leaves like 0.1% on it just to hold the runner. But as he gets better, as we get better, we'll try to practice like leaving some size, at least 10-20% of the trade. Just leave that there. Because that 10-20% after we take it off at TP2, if it goes, if it doubles, triples, quadruples, you're making more on that 10-20% than you made on the initial trade. Especially if it goes through FOMC and it just rips. It just makes sense. Leave it. Look at Nas, bro. It's forming a clean lower low and a lower high. What time frame? Because I see it, but it just depends on what time frame you're talking about. 1 hour. Yeah, well, as I said, on the 1 hour time frame, we see that we got these lows here. This is the new low right here, the purple box. It's a 1 hour new low. This was the last lower high. No, lower higher low. This was the new higher low. It came back down, made a new lower low, came back up and retested the higher low, and then it dropped. So possibly this drop right here could cause another little structure point and it drops again, and that's going to be the head and shoulders. If it can break here, come down aggressive and break here, woo. The next structure point that we'd have to worry about is down here, but you would have so much space. Like if you can catch it from, where's the ruler? If you can catch him here to here and he starts to break, you have another 800 pips of just clean traffic. Nothing. Well, this right here could be a problem, but that's like another 400 points and then you'll have another 400 points right here. So clean traffic. I don't think I don't think this is gonna hold up. I might have to look for another area. Might have to look for another area of interest. I don't think that's gonna hold at all. You can see this area right here that it held as support. Came back here, support. Look at Monday. Also, it's been a bearish. Yeah, on that it's been very bearish. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Today's gonna be a crazy mad reversal. Could I know what you're? I see what you're talking about, but we also have FOMC tomorrow. So to think that the reason why we had a crazy move like that yesterday because it wasn't. It's not FOMC tomorrow. It's not FOMC. It's non-farm. Non-farm is tomorrow. Non-farm payroll. It's not FOMC. But we had non-farm payrolls at 8:30. But yesterday we also had non-farm. We had ADP non-farm. Still close. As far as impact, still same, like similar. But this just holds a little bit more weight. Non-farm exchange holds just a little bit more weight. And then we have the average hourly earnings, unemployment rate. We just have more catalyst information coming out at the same time tomorrow. So I don't expect I don't expect crazy moves today. Tomorrow I do, because then we have more information coming out, more decisions that need to be made off the data that comes out. But today we only had unemployment, so I don't really see something crazy happening. Not today, at least. Not today. Tomorrow. Look at this. It's shooting. It's going to the next area. Now I finally get it. When I be talking to people and they be like, "Your charts look crazy," I get it. I get it. It makes sense to me. All of it makes sense to me, but someone else looking in and they're like, "What the fuck? What the fuck is going on here?" I get it. My shit look nasty. It's not clean. It's cool. It don't have to be clean. Don't have to be clean. I just gotta make money. That's it. If I'm making money, I don't give a fuck. Okay, this structure is not holding. Let's see. Did it make at least structure on the 1 minute? Nope. It died. What the fuck happened on the 1 minute? Shit started dying. 1, 2, 3. We have a nice area right here that I could possibly short from clean traffic back down to the next area. This could even possibly be an easy 1 or 2. Facts. Facts. Let's see what 9:30 brings. If 9:30 we get another push and another clean push above the highs, then I'll fix my entry. But trade idea right there. I feel invincible. 100 niggas in this spot. I'm walking through them. Anything you wanna walk through them. And niggas nah. Cause the niggas corny. I mean horny. And I'm looking like what horny. And the percolated shit. She gonna percolated dick. Okay. Been in the city, pop smoke. Been in the city, pop smoke. Alright, let me mark up. Let me get my MT5 ready, cause I'll be ready to take this trade. Oh, it's happening fast. It's happening fast. I gotta try to catch this shit quick. Okay. Okay. It's pushing higher. Okay. Do your thing. No, cause these niggas need to be corny. I'm very horny. I get the percolated shit. I'm gonna percolate dick. Percolate shit. Okay. We in the city. Possible. Possible. Oh my god, it's just shooting. What the fuck? Look at this, bro. Look at Nas, bro. It's like nothing. There's no pullbacks there. It's looking like yesterday. Let me show you what yesterday looked like. It did the same exact thing yesterday. And I killed that bitch. Slayed the demon. Slayed her. Just straight bulls. And then 930 came, dropped. If it give me it again today, trust me, I'm gonna exploit the shit out of it. I'm putting size. Yesterday I did not put size on it. Today, if it does the same thing, listen, money there to be made. I'm taking it. Probably put 2% behind that bitch. Okay, Nas. Oh, for real. Drop to the profit. We had these highs yesterday. These lower. This is the opening price right here. I want to see it running, so I wouldn't take a trade before I see it running. I want to see it running. It's too close for it not to run it. When it runs it, then I'm looking for an entry. The fact that it's so close to it, it gotta run it. Gotta see it running. Even if it comes down here, I'm not taking a trade. I gotta see it running. Yeah, go for it. Go for it. If it run it, then I'm looking for the trade. Sizing up on this trade. Hey, if you see it, it makes sense. Size up on it, my boy. Size up on it. Trust me, I'm telling you. If I see the fucking trade, I'm sizing up. I'm sizing up. So you ain't by yourself, bro. If it happens like how I see it's supposed to happen, I'm sizing up. I'm sizing the fuck up. Come on, run the highs. Run this. Run this. Can't be scared to take the risk, my boy. Take the risk. It's worth the risk. Take the risk. If the trade makes hella sense, high probability, let's call it A plus. Makes sense. Put the size on it. Because you don't get A plus setups every day. Yesterday was an A plus setup, but I'm not used to trading Nas, so I didn't put size on it. But I got an A plus setup on Tuesday for US30. Oof, I put size on that bitch. I was one and done. One and done. I love being one and done, especially on US30. What up, Dyson?
Shit, what up? What up? I'm just trying to turn on my BPS.
Do you think, my boy? Do you think? Look, it's getting to that next area. Come on now. You're right there. I won't accept nothing less. You gotta clear it. Clear it. Nothing less. Look at this push. It has to have a pullback on that push. It has to. Come on now. That's just crazy. Yes, it is. That's going crazy. But I'm not accepting nothing less, bro. They gotta do what I said. They gotta do what I said. They gotta respect me. They gotta do what I said. They gotta run that. They can do it. It's right there. Run it. Run it. I ain't playing with it. And if it don't do it, I'm not taking it. It's like that. It's like that. It's like that, Nas. It's like that. Talking to you crazy today. Come on, US30. Don't be a bitch now. No, don't be a bitch now. You're right there. Just take the shit out. Fuck wrong with you? It's right there.
Keep just.
Head high in the back straight. Turning me and running me. Once the shit's if I do get tapped in, clean traffic to at least TP1. Clean traffic. Clean traffic. Let's see. Let's see. Clean traffic. Brush my teeth with this one. If I see a trade on Nas today, I'm gonna probably put 1%. The trade I'm seeing on US30, I don't want to put 2%. I probably put 1.5. I have profits to risk, especially seeing I'm up like 3% for the week. I have profit, but I don't want to risk too much. I probably put 1.5. If at the most, I'll risk 1.5, and if I lose 1.5, I'll still be up 1.5 for the week, and I possibly could risk 1.5 again tomorrow. And if I lose that again, then I'm break even week. That's just risk management. If I hit on this 1.5 today, and then I see something nice tomorrow, 2%. I'm going out the week with a bang, 2%. Let's do it. I think I'm on a one and done trade for the day. I hope I don't see the trade set up on both US30 and Nas, because then I have to make a decision on which one to take it. Nah, I'm not taking this. It didn't run that high right there. It's too close. Too close. Too close for me to. Nah, way too close. Look how close it is. It's right there. Ooh, you could run that shit. It's right there. way too close. Fuck it, I missed this trade. If it does end up working, fuck it, I miss it. Cause I want to put sides behind a good trade. I don't want to just take any trade. So if it doesn't, fuck it. Here's what it is. Yeah, it's looking like it's about to tap it in. This is where the fight begins. Damn. I'm fighting myself. Like, should I take this trade? Oh God. Fuck it. I won't take it. Fuck it. $930 is gonna fall to hell. Yeah, I see that, but it's just something I need. I want to see it behave the way I want it to behave. Like, it's just I might take it on Nas. Nas looks more favorable. Yeah, look at Nas. Nas is pushing. Okay, we got the next push on Nas. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. Alright, Nas is still behaving. So I still got something else to take. US30 don't behave. I'll probably take something like this. Dribble down.
Okay.
Bring him out. Hey, courthouse. Bring him out. Bring him out. Dribble down. Damn, US30. Come on, just damn. Alright, fuck it. I guess the trade is on Nas today. Fuck it. Tragic, bro. I really want a US30 trade because that's the trade I'm putting sides behind, but. You in? You in? Let me see. You in? Okay. We looking at the same level too. That's the crazy part. We're looking at the same level for entry. That's the same entry. That's the same entry level I'm looking at. It's just a time that I'm waiting to get in. Specific time. So like 10 minutes before 9:30, I'm gonna place the trade.
Oh, let me get the face.
But yeah, I see it. I see the idea. We on the same idea today. Might work out. Whenever me and Dre has the same idea for a trade, most times it works out. Let's say most times. Most times it works. So hey, we together today, my boy. Let's see if we in the gutter today.
I'm wait to, so I'm wait to 9:30. See what it would do. It looks like it's gonna be a breakout. Are you trading the Nas?
Yeah, I'm gonna trade Nas today. US30 is not behaving like how I wanted to behave. It did not do what I wanted to do yet.
I already
It's
seen.
unfortunate. It's unfortunate, but trust me, US30 is my little baby, but she's not behaving today. She's not. Ooh, wait, what is Nas doing?
I don't know. You know what? I'm starting to see wanting to see price see price expands. Like if it expands during London, right? You can go for best premium price or discounted price. Well, in this case, this could be the expansion for the best premium price.
What is Nas doing? Nas, you're moving tricky. You're moving tricky. What is Nas doing? What is Nas doing? Interesting. Yeah. Yeah. Nas, what are you doing? What are you doing? We still have clean traffic to at least TP2 on Nas. Still clean traffic.
Yeah.
So let's see. Let's see. Beautiful. Anybody's only man. If a star, if it a moon, you ain't cool. I'm in dress, man. I see US30 doing something opposite.
Yeah, because
It's looking like
band
buys.
is sitting in the same area.
It's staying in
They
the
haven't
same thing.
expanded.
It's looking like buys. Setting up for structure for buys. It's very interesting. I'm not gonna take it though, but it's very interesting. You can see this buy
Let's
right
see.
here.
I'm gonna test it that 5 minute fair value gap.
That's a little 2 minute. Yeah. It's a little buy before 9:30. It's really tricky. Today's really tricky. It's a really
It
tricky
broke
day.
past the breaker block, tested the 5 minute fair value gap.
Very tricky day.
Like this.
I would like to still see sales, but it's a very tricky day. Hey,
Shoot,
Kino, man, I'm
the
saying I'm
buy is
getting this
accurate.
sniper, bro. Yeah, you get
If
the
the buy is
sniper, man.
accurate, I would target for. I'll target all the way up to be on the safe side, maybe like 3.6 119 or super seat 3.6 095 for like a quick little scout.
That's it. Yeah, and Neil, like, get the sniper, bro. Don't worry about me, bro. Listen, do your thing, my boy. Get your money. Get your money. I support whatever you got going on, whatever trade you take. Support it. You follow your rules, I fuck with it.
Yeah, man. I gotta see the time. Like, oh yeah,
It's
price
it's all about
expands.
time and price for me. So I need to see the timing is still not right for the what's happening with price action. So I don't believe this is the trade. The trade is clean enough for me to take. It's not. It's not behaving the way I wanted to. Even
No, to
Nas is
add
still
to
not
that.
behaving now. It looks like it might do a little manipulation during market open. I don't like to see, you know, what it's doing
Oh
right now.
yeah, you want to buy low. I think that's what it is. You want to buy low.
Oh,
You don't want to buy at a high price.
I can see right now that it's selling. That created this. It ran the structure that I'm looking for in that on US30. So it's back to game on with US30. I'm back to looking at US30. I like what it's doing. I'm interested. Ooh,
Oh yep, TP hit.
ooh.
Yeah,
That's why I say I
the
seen a
oil
little
tape.
buy. TP1 would have been hit on the little buy, but I didn't want to take it. As I said, it was a little tricky. TP1 would have been hit on the little buys. Very tricky trade to trade. Very tricky trade.
Yeah, see the time.
That TP1 would have been hit. TP2 could have possibly been hit too. Mm, I'm I'm more looking for
Nah,
cleaner
it's too
setups.
overextended. I wouldn't want to go for the buy because, like you said, I want to buy low.
Yeah, I want to buy low. Yeah, I want to buy when I see like, especially on a high time frame, that is a good low area to buy from.
Yeah,
If I was gonna be buying, it would probably been down here. I'm not gonna buy up here, especially seeing that it just broke the consolidation. I'm more interested in sales. It might to me be to my detriment too to just be looking at one-sided directions. But I just want a cleaner setup. I don't want to put risk behind a sloppy setup.
yeah. Now it's look the cleanest today.
Nah, I don't look that clean. Still pushing. Still pushing.
I'm not about looking at entries early in the morning, so
She's still pushing. She's still aggressively buying. I'm not very much interested, and it's not in an area on the high time frame that it's not. It didn't run a high, it didn't run a
oh
low,
that
it
too.
didn't do
Yeah,
nothing. It's just pushing. So I'm possibly gonna leave Nas alone. But US30, on the other hand, it ran the previous day lows, ran London highs. It's in more in an area that I could see short term. So I'm gonna
yeah.
leave Nas alone for the day. I'm back to US30. I'm not looking at Nas anymore.
Look at the fully show. Yeah, I forgot about that.
Okay. From this area, I'm looking for sales now. Yep. All right. Let me start. Let me set up my sales limit. Sell limit. I might take it after because this is like a little double bottom right here. It's a little double bottom area right here. I want to be weary of this because
Look at the price.
sorry. Once it hit 920, sell limit is placed, and we'll see after that. But Nas, it's a little too far. It's not looking the same as I thought it was.
Man, it's not even just testing. It's
It's
probably
just
just
pushing.
moving all the
Yeah, it's just
selling sign.
pushing. Because you could see Nas broke structure yesterday, broke high, broke structure, broke high again, but it came back down to really retest structure. I mean, I don't know. It could possibly go here again to try to retest it. So
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna leave that alone for today. But yeah, it's a tricky day. It's a tricky day. It's,
Yeah.
it's not behaving exactly how I would expect it to, but everything is still there for exactly what I want to see. Possibly today I'll just take a 1-to-1. Possibly I might just take a 1-to-1 today. Clean up, or even max 2-to-1. Max 2-to-1. Because now if I'm looking for 3-to-1, I'm looking for below London lows. I'm looking for new lower lows to be hit, and that's just not guaranteed. It's not guaranteed.
Pretty much.
Yeah, it's not guaranteed. So that's not it's not a target anymore. Max 2-to-1. Okay, I'm placing my sell limit. Let's go. Come on, markets. Market gods. Market gods, take me in. It's up to you now. Just fixing price around. Market gods, is up to you. 1%, 1.5% on this trade. Let's pray for the best.
Them on the phone. Let me look at the one. Oh man, on the 1 minute I see an inverted fair value gap. I see a break the block. Got broke it through. You're gonna see more buyers coming in on US30.
So you look at Nas, it's still shooting. It's not looking
I mean,
still
the price
shooting.
is overextended.
It's not overextending actually. It's between structure points. It's between this low and this
No, I'm talking
high.
about internal. I'm talking about from within the internal structure. Of course, it's on the low. It's on the low of the week.
I'm just not interested in Nas anymore. I'm not even gonna look at it anymore. Just not interested. Damn, Nas gone. Yeah, you gotta be very selective, bro. Very selective with your trading. Very selective. As you can see, like I'm here just making judgment calls. Judgment calls. I'm not trying to overanalyze it, but if it don't make no sense, it don't make no sense. I'm not gonna try to make it make sense just because I want to be in the trade.
Yeah, that's a fact.
Next, US30 makes a whole bunch more sense. We have the lows of yesterday right here. It closed right here. We have London highs that it broke. We have it came around the low yesterday. London highs right here. 15-minute structure. We have so much more to play with here. That possibly can give me an edge. On if you look on Nas, there's really nothing. It's really nothing there. Look at this. Look at the. You can. It's the same thing as a 5-minute structure. It's on. If it breaks this, same 5-minute structure break right here. We might have this candle come and push above high. That would only make my trading stop losses, my trading entries tighter. So if it does do that, good, because then I would have a tighter entry. Yeah, 930 is right there. This is prime real estate to get the best entry. Like around 930. If I haven't showed that, throughout the last past couple of days, all my A plus setups come from 930 opens. You just have to scalp it.
Yeah, put them up in and out.
You gotta scalp it. You can't try to swing from there. Hell no.
No, you try to swing. I mean, you got to be at a higher time frame.
You gotta be at a higher time frame. When you're on the
Position.
1 minute, I just closed that order because it ran the highs. So my new entry point would be right here. At the break of
Mm.
this, highs right here. We'll see. So now I got a better entry, and I can aim for 2P3 now. TP3 is a
Oh,
possible
so
idea
okay.
again.
I see the sort of like a matrix with my fib setup. So on the weekly, right? I don't know. Price tends to go sit between the 50% of fibs and then 0.0 area, 0.0 area. The price overextends to the 1.6 fibs is. I mean, I don't know. Always you have a strong reversal. But if you do that, look, this week it is 0.0 fibs on a Wednesday. Give me that sell. So if you're using the daily fibs, which is the midnight open, which is half of Asian session, I don't know price. The strong shooter price is when it hits the 4.23 fibs on either direction for either a strong reversal or a breakout. But for a strong reversal, to be exact, 2.6.
Place
When
my
it comes,
soul stuff again.
hopefully I'm saying it makes sense. On either direction.
Yeah.
That's what I'm noticing. Oh, it's crazy. I'm back testing while looking for setup at the same time. Oh yeah, I didn't even did the monthly. Oh yeah, next week's gonna be the monthly. Then I can mark up the highs and lows of the month, and then see where the market could go from there.
To break these highs again is gonna be annoying because now I gotta eliminate that trade again because it don't make sense. It just invalidated the trade idea again. Hopefully it doesn't. We got 9:30 in 4 minutes. It's still not giving me the entry yet. Ah,
It's
it
not
just
even.
broke the highs again. I gotta delete this shit.
See, this is the thing, man. You have to wait for it. Yeah. Oh yeah, about the same time, you have to think. The markets dropped crazy. They
Damn.
dropped so much.
Damn. 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 What the fuck? Alright. Alright. Okay. I don't know what the fuck going on. I don't know what the fuck going on. I'm gonna just leave this shit alone. I'm gonna take off for a
I'm waiting to
second. I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till 9:30. I'm gonna wait after 9:30. I'll see. Because it doesn't make sense to me right now. But that 1-to-1 would have, it probably would have been 2-to-1 right now on the buys. Because I seen when it came up here, it made structure right here, the double bottom. And I said right here, 2-to-1 would have been hit on that. It's just not the cleanest trade. But the trade idea still worked out either way. Do I blame myself for not taking it? Not really. I just wanted a cleaner setup. But at the same time, this is like bias having when your bias is too strong, like you don't want to see another trade. You don't want to even acknowledge that another trade is happening against the trade idea that you see. And that's not always the best area to be because then you're blocking your blessings on the next trade or another trade
yeah,
that could
right.
possibly work. So in the same breath, obviously I wanted to wait. I wanted to wait for the best trade. This could have been a really good trade. This is a continuation. Could have been a really good trade, but it is what it is. I missed it. It is what it is. I can't be mad. Ain't no bitching. I just journal it and get over it. Journal it. Put it in the journal. Say we'll learn from it. That pussy got power. pussy got power. She wet in the shower. They getting louder. We're in the tower. They bugging the tower. They thinking it deep. She wanna get geek. Look at that TP3 hand on this shit. God damn. The dreams a prayer.
Yeah, man, everything's buying up. 9:30 about to kick in, and
Yeah,
we'll
9:30
see
about to
from there.
push this bitch higher, bro. So I'm just cool. I'm gonna wait. Damn, look at that. Look what's happening, bro. God damn. All right, so let's go to
Yes,
the next
man.
entry. I could still possibly catch a news after 9:30, but right now it's gone. Nas is gonna also be gone, absolutely gone. So I'm cool. I'm cool off it. Ooh, what the? Ooh, what the fuck? Look at
It's
Nas.
been like this every
Ooh,
day.
every day. 9:30 would just trend. 9:30 drop
And then take you up
every
out of there.
day.
Liquidate.
Every day, literally every day. But you, Nas is not clean enough for me. But 9:30, it did that for.
Wow. Now it's about to liquidate all the sellers, man.
Yeah, it does it every day, bro.
I mean,
Every day
buyers.
for the whole week, it's been doing it. Every day, the whole week, it's been doing the same exact thing, bro. Cleaning up of the 9:30 open. It's just not clean enough for me to want to invest into it. All right, so he got the next push to the next 15-minute structure. Let's fucking see, bro. It might be a no trade day, bro. That ass might be a no trade day for me, bro. He's just pushing. There's nothing. There's nothing. It's just pushing. It's really nothing. It's just pushing. It's a tricky fucking day, bro. Tricky. Those buys were it. Those buys were it. Those buys from this double bottom low, they were it. I should have took it, but it is what it is.
That's the liquidation, man. You don't want to get liquidated. That's why.
It's about time, okay, now. See, what I told you about Nas, it wasn't clean. That wick was just a 9:30 wick. It's still gonna push. It's not clean. It had nothing that it took out. It didn't take out anything. It didn't take out
Yeah,
a
I
high.
don't see that.
It didn't take out a low. It didn't take out anything. There's no really liquidity there for it to take. So I just see it continue on the trend. See, look at it, 9:30. So look at Nas now. Told you, nothing there. It's really nothing there. Really nothing there.
Yeah, it's gonna screw it up. It's gonna be a breakout day. Oh yeah, you seen US30 about to
Look at that.
sell
Look at
off
Nas.
that
Look at
area.
Nas. Look at Nas. There's nothing there, bro. Nothing there. It ran nothing. It ran nothing. So the push is just continuing. Nothing there.
It's all structured.
It's all structure, bro. I be telling you, just like I pay attention to just primarily structure. That's why I understand when a trade looks good. That's based on my trading plan and the way I trade. But things make sense based on structure. If I were to teach anybody how to trade, it would primarily to just focus on structure. Just focus on structure. That's it. If you can focus on structure, you will understand the markets more on structure because the markets move in structural patterns. It's up and down, high, high, low, lower high, lower low.
Pretty much. Yeah, man, I missed out on all 154 pips.
What you want, baby? Babe? No, it's that.
Look, I'm like, nah, I'm just gonna wait till like 9:30.
I was charging this. Look. That one's that. Can you pass that one?
Hmm?
No, I'm not talking to you, but my phone. Look at that. That 15-minute structure held on 9:30. That 15,
Yeah.
15-minute structure
Oh yeah,
held.
yeah,
Look at it,
yeah.
it's dropping. There's really nothing for me to take though. It's not following my trade. It's just nothing there. Nothing there for me. And this is
Oh
just one
shit,
of
no,
those
it is.
days. You just gotta stay disciplined, even though there's nothing there. You don't want to make sense of something that don't make sense. You don't just want to be in a trade just because you want to be in a trade. Just because you want to
I
be
mean,
in a
it
trade is
just
not
been
good enough.
expanding pretty. Yeah, the market's been expanding pretty London every day all this week.
You can see Nas. Look, Nas is his bullish. Nas is fucking gone, bro. Look
All
at
right, but
Nas,
this could be
bro.
the rejection zone
There is no
or stop
rejection.
loss zone. I'll call it.
They didn't even. It needs to. Oh, my fucking
Okay,
thing.
now I'm seeing price react to it. Okay, he's just ripping straight out of it. Oh wow, so you copped before the pre-market, you could have copped a good 200 pips.
Yeah, if you were in
No, my
pre-market.
bad, 160 pips.
Look at
Okay,
you.
now I'm
Look at
rejecting.
US30. It respected the shit out of that because it was a 1 hour zone too. It respected the shit out of it. 1 hour structure zone right here came back up and respected it. There's nothing here for me, man. Nothing here for me. Not today, at least. Nothing here for me. For me to take this trade, my stop loss would have to be all the way up here. Entry at, to get a 1-to-1, I'm looking for London lows. Nah, nothing here for me. I'll be right back.
Only knew me up on room. Only knew it was the only knew what my sleep. Only go in my big right now. Okay, yeah, touched it not oversold zone. Like I have the 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. range. No, I'm serious. Like out of yeah, Wednesday. No, my bad. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, the market has been expanding pre-market.
Yeah. Tragic day, bro. No trade day looks like a no trade day, man. Looks like a no trade day, bro. I was excited for today too. I was excited. I'm not gonna cap.
Okay, yeah, so about to sell.
No trade day for me. Mm.
Yeah, from the sell, definitely. I'm getting in right now. Hold on, I'm gonna wait. Nah, it's no inversion.
Boy, you sis, boy, you sexy, boy, you fire. You ain't never met another nigga like me. Wifey. Mm-mm-mm.
Yeah, this is just ripping.
Yeah. Damn. Looks like a no trade day, bro. Look at that. Damn, I couldn't even catch this, bro. There was just no structure going into the push. Uh, I don't know.
Oh wow, so it's gonna be a breakout there. Oh, I expect they hit that breakout or fib zone.
That shit is just trending like a motherfucker, bro. Uh, boy, you fire. The only area I see right now potentially that use the NAS get short from is up here. These are the highs. These are the highs.
But mitigating, you know what it is? Mitigating all previous days fair value gaps. I'm literally seeing it mitigating each fair value gap.
All
Yo,
good, bro. Yep. What's good? What's good, Sean?
what's good, my boy?
Chillin', chillin'.
What? Yeah.
Yeah. So, the only place I can see it shorten from is up here. I see it. There's really nothing else here, bro. Nothing else here. Yeah, tricky week for sure. Tricky week for sure, bro. I agree. Look at US30. It respected the fuck out of that zone. Started dropping. Damn, bro.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out what happened, but I seen the 4 hour fair value gap it respected. I was like, what the fuck?
Shit's tricky, bro. Yeah,
Yeah,
it tapped
the
into
four
that
hour.
4 hour fair value. I see that
Yeah,
too.
that shit's strong as hell,
Yeah,
bro.
top right. The 4 hour fair value gap lined up with the 1 hour and the 15-minute structure. So everything just lined up for that trade just to sell off. But there was no
Yeah.
entry in there for me. There was no, according to my trading strategy, just nothing in there for me.
Okay, I see. Yeah, cause I had that as a the 4 hour gap and like a 1 hour supply, but yeah, that
Yeah,
shit just like tanked. As soon as it touched, that shit just tanked.
yeah. As soon as
Oh yeah, I
look, it
think you're
just
getting
wicked
ready
up
to
into
sell
it,
now.
wicked up into it, started tanking.
Yeah, it just tanked. Oh, that's the 1 minute.
Yeah, this the
See,
one.
if I was, I could have probably got it on the 1 minute, maybe.
Yeah, probably. But for me, I couldn't get it because just wasn't structure there for me to be able to capitalize on it.
What you mean in terms of what? Like, what you mean?
I always
Like
look
your
for breaker
entry?
structure. I always look for
Oh,
breaker
okay,
structure to
okay,
get in.
okay.
Yeah, that's
I
how I
get you.
always get in.
Nice.
So for this reversal that we see, it needed to be some type of breaker structure. Like if it came up
The
here,
red
came
line?
up here,
Okay,
came up
okay.
here, came up here, came up
Yeah.
here, and then it started dropping, I would have gotten right here. But I would have gotten right here,
Oh, from
and
that
then
break.
yeah, just seen us out the break right here. But it just went up and shot right now.
Yeah. But that was my problem on the 1 minute, bro. Like, I felt like the 1 minute structure was like so weird. I try to always get in on the break of the 1 minute, and I would lose my trade. I'll be like,
Oh no, you know what it is with the 1 minute? Like the higher the time frame, the less rules you have to place in yourself. Uh, um, lower the time frame, the more rules you have to make.
oh, okay.
Yep.
Mm, I I don't have. I guess you can say more rules.
No, I'm
Cause
not. In the
Uh,
sense of yeah, like first, okay, when you're on a higher time frame, you don't have to worry about the news as much. You don't got to. You feel me? You just got. Oh yeah, and you have to. I even go as far as this. You look at the structure from day by day. You know what I'm saying? It'll make you like trade day to day instead of then they're babysitting your trades in a sense.
looks like a no trade day for me though.
yeah, that's what it's looking like
It's
for me
looking like
too.
a
I
no
ain't gonna
trade
lie.
day.
Oh shit! Wait, whoa,
Yeah, I'll
whoa.
get in on the sell. Yeah, hold on.
Yeah,
See
me
if it.
too. Hold on.
I'm not taking this. I don't like it personally, but if y'all do what y'all want, I don't like it. It's not clean enough for me. So I
Yeah,
guess I
so
guess when you're saying like on the one hand, you do have to be very selective. But I think that's just trading in general. You gotta be selective, bro. You gotta pick the right trades. You can't just put size on any trade. And I intended to put size on the trade because I have profits to risk.
Nah, I feel that.
Boom. And allow. Allow.
The 1 minute is smooth though. I don't got no problem with the 1 minute.
Very smooth, bro.
Yeah, it's just my breaker structure. I would say my weakness is looking at the 1 minute breaker structure. It's a little too hefty for me. If you get what I'm saying, like
It's not.
hello. Good morning. Hello.
Yo, what's good? What's good, Jenner?
What's going on, gang?
Chilling, my boy. What
What
you
are
up?
niggas talking about?
Trading day, man. It's pretty sloppy, bro. It's not sloppy. It was really a nice trading day for me, though. It was sloppy because I couldn't get an entry, but
Yeah, I think
everything lined
the
up.
markets.
Everything lined
The
up, bro.
numbers are making their moves later.
Like you can see with that 4 hour structure, as you mentioned, Sean, that four
Yeah,
hour structure was really strong, bro. That four
really
hour
nice,
not
bro.
structure, the 4 hour fair value gap. It
Yeah,
tapped right
bro.
into that 4 hour fair value gap, drop. Like if you
Yeah,
traded that
bro.
way, this would have been an excellent move for you.
Yeah, I'm in the cells. I'm in the 30 cells.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
in cells on Nas.
Sells on
Cause I
Nas.
seen
Yeah, cause I'm seeing how price has been overextended on
yeah,
that.
I seen that shit on the 3 minute. That shit is nice though. Wait, bro, where'd you get that structure? That's from like the weekly or the daily?
What?
Your red lines.
Oh, this is the 1 hour structure. This is just one hour
Oh,
structure.
okay,
You
okay.
see 1 hour. I was
But
looking
130
for
had a nice rejection.
yeah, crazy rejection, bro. Crazy rejection.
That's
Yeah,
It
good.
was
they
a
even hit
very
my
sexy
fibs, bro.
rejection.
Look. I even saw my fibs right now. Yeah, it's
Oh,
like,
wow. My
Very,
shit just went in the process.
very sexy
yeah, cause
rejection.
look, I'm gonna screenshot. I'm not screenshot it. I take a picture on my computer. I'll get out. Mark with it. Yeah, select the screen.
Just drop the picture in the chat box, bro. It's easier so everybody can see.
Right there.
Oh god.
On the fibs, right? I marked the fibs from the 6 to 7
Come
o'clock.
on.
Just drop the
Give me a
picture.
three
Drop the
candle
picture
day
in the
and
chat
take me
box.
home.
My shit. Really.
No, it's me. I feel like I'm
Look, I'm taking a picture.
Yeah, I've
Put
been
it in the
waiting for
chat.
these cells since fucking Tuesday. No bullshit.
You said what?
I've been waiting for this setup since Tuesday.
Yeah. It could be lucrative, bro.
Damn, he could have got a good 100 pips just off that stuff, huh? Yeah, and I'm in profit on the NASDAQ, so.
Tell me. Couldn't find a
I've been
setup.
having to use Trade Locker recently.
See, now I'm gonna go down to it's the hour. I'm gonna go down to the 5 minute. And my charts look crazy. I'm cleaning up the charts a little bit.
Yeah, man, I'll be on them low ass time frames.
Yeah, man. It just works. It works for me, man. It works. It works. Can't lie. Works for me, bro.
It's crazy. It just reject that field. No, because it went over the midnight
There we
open.
go.
Midnight open range
Look
strip.
at
So
nice. Nice, nice,
There we
man.
go.
Nice
Come on.
move.
see, I'm
Come
in
on,
the cell.
Nas. Good shit. Good shit. Y'all caught it. Good shit. I didn't try to overcomplicate the markets today, but it just didn't make sense to me.
If it doesn't make sense,
That's what I'm
it's
saying,
okay.
man. It's been doing this.
Yeah, then you don't gotta trade it. But that was me, I think yesterday. I didn't really, I was in between. Anytime I'm in between, I'm just not gonna trade. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Anytime you're indifferent, it's okay, bro. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna find the time when you're not and confused. You don't know what's going on.
Exactly. You're gonna find a time when the shit just makes sense. It's just clear as day, bro. Today's just not. It's
Yeah,
not
like
one of them
you
days.
type of difference. Like, you know what it is.
Ever see it in the future?
Yeah. Nice is nice. It's nice. Nice drop. Yo. Yeah.
Yeah, when I'm doing it, you know what the right the time and price there, right? Where they say, I'm using the highs and lows between those terms, and then see what I'm how to mark. Wait, this even works on gold. But okay, I'm building it off for equities open. So I'm like, okay. So if the market gets large or very volatile around that open, okay, where's going to be the higher probability where it's going to eat and draw liquidity from? If it expands the range of the highs and lows of midnight. So I was like, okay, I'm going to put 6. If it's not a day where it doesn't expand, then okay, I just use the midnight open. I mean, yeah, it's been doing that pretty much every day all this week. Expand. I was like, oh, okay, I see it's going to be a trap. So it took the 1.0 zone. But I don't know, this is just too repetitive. I'm thinking it's supposed to be a little different.
Damn, you hit the spot. Tastes like candy, sweet like fruit, rush like water. Can I love on you?
And they're gonna take all. See, it's the same. It feels like yesterday. Oh no, it's gonna do it yesterday. Yeah, the market's gonna pull it yesterday on people, man.
I see Marcus came and is making a structure right now. It's respecting it. That 15-minute structure when it broke, the London highs when it dropped from the London highs and it broke it just now, came back to that fair value up. It's respecting London the London highs. See it making wicks. Possibly can respect it. Turn back up. Possibly. It's an idea. It's an idea.
Okay, my TP1 stick. I don't know, sorry. I'll take the TP1. Move the control and stop the trade.
OZ cup full of OZ. Look at 1-to-1 hit on that. It would have been hit. I didn't take it. She grown.
Well, shoot, your Nas play. I mean, that the US30 plays playing out nicely.
Look at Nas dropping like a bitch. Damn.
That's what I'm saying, man. Wow, I was gonna pull it.
Damn.
Man.
Damn.
Another Judas swing.
Damn,
It's
Nas.
what the
Damn, that's a good play. Nah, I just missed it, man. Another. It's all good. I guess it's all good. I can't. I can't bitch about it. It's all good. Look at that. The drop on that. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be any real pullbacks at this point. So really, you could have had been up 400 or 500 points if it goes down. Nah, you would have lose some points. Or you've been in and out. Yeah, you've been in and out. You would have been a good 400 or 500 points total. I mean, in pips, 5,000 points. I mean, 5,000 pips. But not in innocent counting points.
Good shit today, Nas. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit.
And yeah, it's gonna target the midnight open or the range of the midnight open.
Let's see how it closes. If it closes, the 1 hour closes like this, high probability it's just gonna keep falling for the day. High probability. It's all good. No trade days. It's fine. That's a win in my book.
Type shit. That's a fact.
It didn't make sense. Don't make sense of it. It's all good. It's a
You
win.
ain't lose nothing. You ain't win nothing. That's still a win.
Still a win. It's a win. It's 15 minutes. So it's 15
Oh,
minutes.
okay. It like could mitigate that fair value gap.
I'm going to give it a little bit more time just to see if I can catch something. Give it a little bit more time. Probably stay until like 10, 15, 10:30. Let's see. Give it some time. Not every day you get the move as fast as you want it.
Not every day, man.
Not every day.
I was just thinking, I was a little indifferent about the setup, but with the massive expansion it has done before the open. But my thing about it is, I don't know. My thing about it is, there was no like structure, internal structure being made. So all I was doing pretty much was looking at the highs and lows and see how it's gonna react. And yeah, you're gonna pull another Julius swing the way it's looking.
I feel like Nas still didn't run the highs yet. He's still, still interested.
It's just for what is it for the inefficiencies?
He didn't run the highs yet, so I'm still interested in the buys. I'm already low. I did the things winning. Can never do right. I can't lose this fight. I'm already low. I think I need a beginning. I think I need a beginning. Wish me away. Wish me luck.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. I don't know. Fingers crossed. I was like, I'm gonna wait till 9:30. I'm glad I waited till 9. I mean, I could have caught the vibe and then been in and out. I was like, nah, I'd rather just wait till 9:30, see what it's gonna do. Okay, I'm just gonna do it and take it from there.
JVP, you caught
You
those
know what you
cells?
trading on?
You caught those cells? Huh? What you said, bro?
What you trading on? Like what platform?
Henko.
What is it?
Henko trade.
Henko?
Henko trade, yeah.
What type timing they be on? Like they still on MetaTrader?
Yeah, they still on Medicare.
Word.
Yeah, they're the only ones, one of the only brokers that's still on medical.
I think you use this fucking trade locker shit right now.
Yeah, I heard about it.
It's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie, because it's basically a trading platform built into TradingView.
Pretty much. I don't
So,
really like it yet.
I'm still getting feelings about it.
Until like they take me and every probably other broker off of Trading View, then I'm gonna make the switch, bro. As long as they still got brokers on the shit, I'm gonna work it.
Man, I need this shit to close bearish.
Yeah, it might close bearish. We talking about Nas, right?
Yeah, on the hour.
Yeah.
You're not my wife. So only care to fuck all night. Fuck on the thigh. Give me head all night. Nice.
Yeah, I think it'll continue for the buy at this point.
Nice sell, GBP.
Yeah, I could have got in on that. Wait.
I'm gonna see what happens at 10 o'clock. I'm looking for new volume at 10 o'clock.
Oh, that's a fair value. Oh, yeah, nah, that's a mistake trying to fair value gap.
Ideally, I need that shit to die.
Ideally, it would be a good day for you if it dies.
This is my second day back since I've been trading. Second trade back. Like on the live.
That's good. Solid. 2 days wins. Or second day back in this win.
Yeah, we need to get that. I'm about to break even so that way I can't lose, but I wanted to close bearish for.
Oh, you at least what the what?
Yeah.
Nah.
At least.
I'll be right back, bros.
I got a decent entry, so I'm trying to rock it. You know what I'm saying? Like it's right at the top.
Oh yeah, that's the silver bullet they be talking about. That's playing out. I mean, yeah, the Judas link.
That's basically what happened this morning was a silver bullet for Nas. I don't know if it's focusing, but that's what I got.
I mean, I see the silver bullet, but I'd rather get in on a breaker.
Got one more minute. I don't know if it's gonna do it. Close doji.
Yeah, man. You have to about liquidate all the buyers.
I don't know. Stop loss.
Little Tyler. It's going sideways now. I'm not sure why it's trading
Yeah,
sideways.
I'm gonna take out the market and call it a day.
Yeah, definitely call it today.
Oh,
I
fuck.
wish I took those buys, but I'm not gonna lie. That would have been at least one clean trade for the day. But it just happened so fast, bro. It happened so fast. I had like 2 minutes to decide if I wanted to take a buy.
My bell's not in the car.
I'm not sure. Those be doing his own thing, my boy. I don't know. Even Dre not here. I don't know why he not here either. Usually is here.
This shit is blowing me.
Yeah, I know. I see. It's just starting sideways. Sideways.
No, not even that. I can't fucking adjust the position. I don't know how. I'm trying to figure it
Why
out.
can you want to pray? You trying to figure it out?
Shit is wild. Like I could do it on the phone, but the same shit on the phone isn't popping up here.
So just do it on the phone.
I'm trying to learn it though. Andre said this shit was better on the computer, so I'm confused.
I get that. Where you at, man?
I'm gonna have to ask him how to do it, but I'm gonna just go to the phone for now.
He's trying to get me from my way. I lay his ass down on my
Sit down, my son, I'm a daughter. I got the pink slip. Gotta fuck 12 trucks flat. Gotta send the bells out the fox. Oh, damn, still.
I got the days. Suck that nigga.
Yeah, stop now. I can tell something good.
Oh, it updates instantly though. Like as soon as I changed it on my phone, it changed it on here.
Hey, dope.
That's thorough.
Thorough, for sure. See what the XY doing. XY is making moves to go shorter.
Bitch, don't wear no shoes in my house.
Like a lame music. I'm a 2020 president candidate. On Zimmerman shit. Crystal, cause I pop my shit. Nothing you can tell me. When I talk, I'll street well. I'ma get easy. I got the mojo deal. We chopping like an
these are the type of trades that make you anxious.
You just gotta accept the risk. And that's it.
Shit. Be okay with the loss before you take it.
Yeah, just be okay with the loss. Just chill. Only reason why you would get anxious is because you put too much risk. But if you accept
No, I
the risk,
didn't.
yeah, then accept the risk and walk away. I see this trade right here doesn't look very clean to me. I might put 0.5% trade, 0.5% risk on it. Thing is, I also don't want to just take a trade just to take a trade because I didn't take a trade. So it's like I'm just taking this trade just to take a trade.
Well, now that you said it, you're done.
Yeah, I'm calling on that. It's not the day. I don't care how much pips to move the day. Oh, so I made a lot of more than enough pips yesterday, so I'm not funny. Give the money back.
I'll put 0.5% risk behind it. It's cool. I got $500 of risk. Let's see. Let's see. It's showing back now. Let's see. Good. I might get in above the candle weights just to be safe. Ooh, you see that? Stop loss running. Look at that. I didn't get in though. I was skeptical.
It's good. Bro, discipline, brother.
It's discipline. There's a lot of discipline, bro. It takes a while to get to this point. I'm telling you, it takes a while. To see a trade and you just know it's just not clean. It's not clean. It's not like
It's so
like
clean.
it.
No, but you gotta keep in mind it's NFP week.
That doesn't matter what kind of week it is. It's just if it don't match up to what you like to take, don't look like something that you like to take, don't take it. Don't just want to be in a trade just because you want to be in a trade. You just need to be in the trade today. That's not the way to go about it. That's the way to get fucked every day. Alright, I might place above these highs. If it comes back above these highs, I'm interested. Let's see if it runs the lows. Run the lows. Traders runs. I'm not even gonna place it. Let's see.
What's the name of that broker you said, bro? I'm about to search it up right now.
HANKO trade. Hanko trade. You can even just start up a demo with them just to feel it. Just go with an ECN plus. ECN plus. Remember that.
ECN plus.
ECN plus.
Sign up.
Sign up. ECN plus. Go with the demo account. Just test it out. Feel it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a demo and see what it's like, what the lot sizes are like and shit.
Yes, sir. I placed the buy limit right above the body of this shit. Let's see. It might not even get me in. But if it does, I'm okay risking $500. I'm okay with just that trade alone. That'll be it. One and done. I'm done for the day. I'm walk away. It look like I want to go for the lows. That'll be good because that just eliminate me from getting into the trade. Yep, took it out. That's great. Great news. I didn't put no risk on the table. I have nothing of it.
Check out the trade altogether.
We still in the no trade zone. Trade zone for the day. Still.
I'm gonna hit the
Listen.
center,
Let's see if it goes to the next structure and respects it. If it goes to the next structure and respect it before 10:30, I'm interested in it again. 10:30 is the latest, and I'm done. I'm out of here, boys. Gotta start my day up after that. Gotta start my day up. It's all good. No trade day is fine. It's fine. The only thing I seen was these buys over here, but they weren't even clean either. And I had 2 minutes to make a decision to go buy it. 2 minutes. Like, it was just not enough time. It was not clean enough. It's a whole bunch of shit, but a win is a win.
Yo, I'm back.
What's good, my boy? I seen your sales, bro. Good shit.
Yeah, I appreciate that, bro. Yeah, I caught that joint on. Bro, I've been holding that shit since Monday, bro.
Nice. Finally paid off.
Thorough.
Thorough.
Yeah, bro, that shit crazy.
See, I can't do that. It's just not.
Yeah, nah, I don't know how I could do it, bro. This shit just weird to me.
It's just you. That's just
Yeah.
you. Like that's what people don't understand. When niggas be like, "Oh, you on a 1 minute? Why you trading on one?" It's just me. That's how I like to trade.
Type shit, yeah, that's a fact. I'll be like, how the fuck? I don't know.
I know, but when you say I hold this since Monday, nigga, it's Thursday. How you do that?
I don't know, bro.
Yeah.
I'll be asking
It's
myself,
just
how the
you.
fuck can you do that?
It's just you.
Yo, Hanko isn't popping up on MT5.
Oh, nah, they don't got that. Hanko is done with MT5, and MT4.
Nah.
Yeah,
no,
I
you
swear,
capping, bro.
Nah, bro, once you delete it, bro, no, my man's deleted his shit, bro. No, her shit. My man's deleted her shit, and she can't get back in on MT.
Word.
I swear, bro. I think every broker is going through that shit right now, bro. Once you delete Hanko,
But I'm still good. I'm still good on Hinko because I already got it.
Don't delete it. Yeah, don't delete it. Do not delete it. They going through some shit right now. I think it's every
I'm
unregulated
stuck
broker.
on the locker.
Yeah,
Wow.
bro. Every unregulated broker right now is going through that.
No way, bro.
that
This
shit,
is
yeah,
the
bro.
craziest time ever for
Stuck on
trading.
the
Blame the drama with them niggas. I swear, blame their drama.
That's a
Oh,
What are you
fact.
talking about? What are you talking about?
It was just
Yeah,
a bunch
man,
of,
they can't be fucking adults about this.
yeah, it's just unnecessary drama that was happening.
Like between the traders?
Yeah.
Between like big
Those
traders.
niggas be moving foo.
Like, just
Yeah.
fight, nigga. Fight. Just fight.
That's what we was saying.
Y'all got problems? Fight.
Now y'all get us all caught up. Y'all
Yeah,
niggas
bro.
already made y'all money. Y'all rich already. Don't fuck it up for the rest
Yeah,
of
bro.
us. Like,
They did already.
They already did. Damn. I didn't even know it was like that, my boy.
Yeah, bro.
No
US is clipping
way.
everything right now, bro. Shit crazy.
Yeah, they standing on business.
Yeah,
He's standing
bro.
on business. Jesus Christ, bro.
Yeah, bro. That shit, yo.
damn, so this account won't even matter, eh?
Yeah, I don't know. Wait, they did say like give them a few those, so I don't know if they're trying to figure some shit out with MT5 in them. I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's just clip. Yeah.
Some shit happened to me last week that I felt like this was coming. So last week, it was probably last week, Wednesday. I placed the trade. I placed the
Well, you
trade
got
on.
prop firms, like if you got prop firms, like you can still use MT4 and MT5, but I already know people not trying to do that. They rather use their own money. But I don't know. I can't speak for people.
Last week Wednesday on MT5. Somebody call me. MT5. No, yeah. Last week I placed a trade on Hanko on MT5. Somewhere between like 8:30 and 8:40, the market froze on the broker, and then it came back at like 8:50, and then all of the data was gone. It was just not there. It just didn't show up, and I was like, "Yo, what the fuck?" That was the craziest shit that ever happened to me on my broker. That should have been the first sign that this shit's going. They clipping this shit of MT5. That was probably my first sign.
Yeah, bro. Oh yeah. They clipping that shit. That's why a lot of niggas is trying to go to futures now. Like they restrict.
Yeah, I might just go to futures too because it's regulated.
Yeah, exactly. They like it's no. You know what I'm saying? Futures and commodities.
They
it's
take
no,
more money from you though, like fees wise.
Exactly.
Yeah, they take way more money, and they lower the risk that you the margin. What they call that
It's not
shit?
a problem, though.
The
I already
leverage.
trade for
The
it.
leverage.
They lower the leverage, so you
shouldn't
can
be
only
trading
you
more
can have
than
max.
100 anyway.
No, you have max 150. It's not 100.
I know, yeah, I know, but I'm saying like you shouldn't be over 100. The 100 is already OP. Like,
Yeah, it's
you know
OP.
what I mean?
It's OP.
Wait, I'm confused. Okay, so let me like understand what is the leverage really there? Like
Basically,
I'm looking.
They're timesing whatever you put up by 100, like when the
Yeah.
tick moves.
Pretty much. So if you have $1, you times it by
Yeah.
50. So if you have 150 leverage, now you have $50 for that $1 you
Like
put in.
that's what it'll
Every
be
one
right.
dollar,
Yeah, like
every $1 you times it by 50. You have $100,000 in there,
Oh, okay,
times it by
okay,
50.
okay.
So that's your
when you
leverage
go
now.
to US30, if you move 50 points, it's gonna be moved
Ooh,
like a
boys,
dollar
I'm in
each
this
point.
one. I'm in this. I'm in this.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm in this. This one is clean. Come on, let's see. I lowered the risk because I obviously don't like to set up that much.
Bro, I need that shit to drop. That's crazy.
How you needed to drop? Didn't you already make money?
Oh yeah, I wanted to go and
Man,
I was
you
in
good.
this.
You're good. Walk away. You
That
good.
shit closed bearish and bought.
Yeah.
Which
This
kind
is
of
the
break?
thing about this is why when it comes to the fair value gap, I wait for a break or block. I don't like just entering in the old fair value gap. I want to see fair
It did
value
the
gap.
same shit yesterday though. That shit started buying and then it sold all the way like, back down to the bottom of the candle and then it just bought again.
Don't you even allow it.
In order to continue the trend, I was hoping it would keep going lower, but I'm probably not gonna trade tomorrow either. There's just been so much consolidation. I hate that shit.
That's a fact, bro. So much
It'll be
consolidation.
non-farm payroll, so
NFT, hopefully that shit tanks it. We'll see.
Yeah, I might just take the 1 to 1.5 on this risk to reward right here because I don't want to. I don't know. I'm just feeling like a pussy today. So, what up, Bells? Nigga, you took forever. What up, bro?
I was just talking about your bitch ass.
Yeah, bitch ass, we was talking about you just now. Why you ain't in it? You calling bangers and you ain't even in the chat, bro.
Bro was muted. He gatekeeping.
Where he gatekeeping, bro? He moving like Lambo. This nigga Lambo Bells, McLaren Bells.
So who wanted to fight who?
man, I don't even know. I don't even care for that. No more.
Everything is stupid, bro. It's crazy. It's so funny because at the end of the day, you know they just like us because they just got rich. You know what I'm saying? All them niggas are new rich niggas, so they gonna act like they old broke tendencies.
That shit is ass though, bro.
If you really, I'm not gonna lie, but they really picking up the bag. How the fuck I can't use MT5 no more because y'all niggas wanna be little ass girls?
I know little girls that don't act like them. That's the fucked up situation.
Nah, that's cap. Bitches act like that. That's a fact.
Nah, bro.
Nah, that's cap. Bitches act like that. That's a fact.
You said, nah, let's go.
Yo, whoa, Bells. Whoa.
That shit not straight.
That's not sturdy, my boy. You moving like you on an Xbox with a bad mic, bro. You have to fix up, my boy. It's just you and me. I ain't even gonna front.
Oh, okay. When it comes to the fair value gap, basically 5 or 15 minutes. Yeah, that shit makes sense.
To tighten the fuck up. That shit probably still gonna sell. The worst part, but I ain't gonna be in it.
Yeah, it's not it today, bro.
I'm gonna have to watch it go. That shit probably still gonna sell. But if it don't, it's okay.
It's okay, bro. It's okay. No about love. I got what you need. Walk up in the store and get what you want. You get what you.
I just wanted to sell so that way we can start to move away from this consolidation.
Word. We went right back into the consolidation, bro.
You feel me?
I wanted to see some move outside of the consolidation too. I was telling these boys earlier today. I was wanted to see something like that.
I'll be right back.
Alright, do you think, my boy? Bought a bought up right back into the consolidation zone. This is the only trade I'm gonna take. I risked $500 on the trade. I don't have much at risk here.
Yeah, stand around the breaker block.
Let's see. Let's see. Yo, Bells, come on, fix your mic, my boy. What's going on?
It's easy. It's easy.
Nah, Bells, mute yourself. Come back. That ain't it. This nigga on some radio shit. It's a Z shit. It's a Z shit.
Oh, we trade the people, trading you.
Ice. Panic. Panic.
Patty. Shoot, so I guess all the platforms are gonna go to Trade Locker or create their own trading platform.
Yeah, pretty much. That's what it's looking like. That's what it's exactly what it's looking like, bro. They really just
Dude, you heard
fucked up the
story
whole
about,
industry.
No, you heard the story about the old man. That's not the only thing that caused MetaTrader to get flipped, but about the old man got robbed for everything he got. Through people saying you use MT45 for all the savings. Oh yeah, the minute they did, they took all this money.
Well,
Yeah, they got him to give him the trading password and all that stuff.
old people get scammed all the time because it's easy. Them niggas, it's fucking easy.
No, and then Apple reported to them. No, then somebody reported to at an Apple store. Oh, you boom, 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 and that's how Apple took out. It happened in California. You could look this up on the internet.
I get what you
That's
mean,
how you
bro.
couldn't see on any Apple products MetaTrader 4 or 5.
Trying to prevent old people from getting scammed is so hard because they're so desperate, especially when they're old and most of them don't have money to retire with, so they believe the bullshit that people say. Oh, I can help you, etc., etc.
Yo, it was a lot of money. It was so bad to the point where he was asking his family money that he gave
That's
out.
it's everybody, bro. I'm trying to tell you, it's everybody. Like, it's old people are very easy to scam. My shit tweaking, but we up on the day game. Facts. Yeah, this is my only trade. Hopefully I get 1-to-1. If I actually get 1-to-1, I might close. Maybe. Possibly. I don't know. Maybe. Don't want to see these little.
One thing about the regulated brokers clip, I don't know, it's just my opinion. I think it's probably how should I say this? It's probably with no, I'm about to say something that don't make sense. I think it has to do with the prop firm stuff, with the My Forex fund shut down.
It has nothing to do with them.
And then the government, saying it was giving false promises. But yeah, but I mean all the prop firms said, oh, we're running a simulated account.
It has nothing to do with them.
Nah, nothing to do.
Prop firms is different from real life money because prop firms is demo money. What they were doing was they were saying, "Oh, this is a live account that we're giving you," but it was still simulated. They were just booking you. That was a problem that prop firms were having. That's why MFF got shut down because they was booking people, slipping them to hell. They doing shady shit that they weren't supposed to do. That don't really have nothing to do with the brokers because the brokers weren't involved anyway.
I know that.
They weren't involved. They had nothing to do with what the prop firms were doing because they weren't sending the feeds to the brokers anyway.
Yeah, those the traders were paying all.
Everything was in house. Everything on MFF, everything was in house. So they was giving them their own fees and booking them and saying,
broker, which is against the CTFC laws.
Yeah, I might put my stop loss to here. Minimize the loss if you lose. As of right now, I'm not a big believer. I'm not a big believer in this shit moving. and it's version the end of my time period here.
Oh, so like it's gonna be a super close state. Yo,
It's good, Bells. Welcome
I
in.
mean,
Yeah. Welcome in, my boy. Welcome in.
cool. My shit too.
Yeah, it was tweaking.
You would think you got a gaming PC, shit would be right. This shit trash.
Uh, I I don't think I have a gaming PC, but it's built for a gaming PC. I don't use it for gaming,
You know, I saw this Iranian looking ass nigga Jenner in here. Where he at?
We're genuine. Jenner. I think it might disappear.
What's up with GP Golden in here too? Whole gang this motherfucker.
Where we had more gang in here earlier, but niggas took L's and left. Be like that. It's a tricky day. You have to be very patient today to win the day. Very patient, or just don't trade. One of the two.
I ain't never seen no charts like this.
It looks crazy, right? I know.
That shit is wild.
Andre tell me all the time, but it makes sense to me, bro. It just does. It makes sense to
never
me.
seen shit like this.
Yeah, I know, bro. It just makes sense to me, bro. I don't try to make it clean for other people. Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Alright, cool.
Hey, yo, Kino, you're not training tomorrow, right?
Hell yeah. Why would I not?
Oh, NFP. I thought niggas don't be
NFP's not tomorrow, bro.
This nigga.
Oh yeah.
Golden.
No,
I
no.
thought it
It's,
was the first Friday, unless it was last Friday.
well, is this NFP a non-farm
Yeah.
exchange?
Yeah, that's NFP, nigga.
Oh, okay.
This guy.
Oh shit. I'm looking for where the P is at.
Golden.
I thought it was non-farm payrolls.
You be hitting, nigga.
Yo, I appreciate that game.
This nigga be hitting. GJ, I can't hit GJ no more.
I love him.
We got CPI next week, y'all.
GJ, I used to trade that bitch I forgot when I used to trade it. I never trade that bitch again, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, this was the first pair I ever looked at when I first started. I just ain't never let up.
You can have that shit.
Yo, why everybody hate GJ?
TJ's a bitch, bro. TJ's such a
we
bitch,
used to
bro.
be up at 2 in the morning.
Yeah, she got bit.
Get
Yeah.
some free London shit. Fuck no.
Yeah, bro, I be up at 3 a.m., bro.
You can have it, bro. I tried everything with that, bro. I tried supply and demand, support resistance, nigga, everything. That shit, I can't do it.
TJ just a bitch, bro.
Alright, bro, don't talk about my wife like that.
My fault.
Ah.
My fault.
She said your wife.
It just make
Where
like
is this nigga
it.
Jim, bro?
It will move. Yeah, he just did. I don't know where he went. It will move so structurally, and then there'll be one wick that clean you. I'd be like,
Oh, you know
God
what?
damn.
You know, just like with gold, right? There's always news on GJ. There's always stuff you gotta worry about with G. You gotta worry about the Japanese news. You gotta worry about the Great British Pound news. That's why you get all these crazy candles and stuff.
Yeah, it'd be too much, man.
It would look like it's gonna respect something, and that bitch would do the opposite.
No, it would respect it for a little bit, and then a wick just boom. You'd be like,
That's how
whoa.
when I try to learn from not learn, but I try to look at this nigga AB trades and how he did GJ with support and resistance. I was like, oh, that shit look easy. This was way back then.
Oh, he said, look, easy.
That shit tore me apart. Man, I was like, I'm cool.
Cool.
She don't even respect it. Respect demand and supply for real, bro.
Nigga, that's all I trade. But she don't respect
She
it. at all.
don't. Yeah, I try to tell niggas that supply and demand shit is not gonna work with her because
It's
there's so
not.
many demands just now that I seen niggas try to trade her off of. I was like, bro, how was it? Oh,
It doesn't work,
I
man.
took the most perfect demand setup on GJ, bro. I swear to God, nigga, it had a gap connected. It was at a previous high day. It was all there. Everything was there that I needed.
Fuck it. I'll move my stops to break even. I'm not a believer in
Pull
this.
me off, nigga. I said, nah, I'm cool.
Volume just died.
nah, that's not. I just straight.
Oh,
straight
man,
up
look
market
at,
structure for real.
Yo, look at US30. Yeah, it's looking garbage. Wow.
Yeah,
Nas is
volume just
ripping.
died. I'm not a fan of the volume of US30. I moved my stop loss to break even, so if it comes back entry, it's all good. I'm clean off the day.
I ain't gonna lie,
Can't lose.
I did risk a little bit on that little 30 trade this morning. I was like, hold on, because when it comes to unemployment, nigga, that shit usually bounces down, and then once it starts wicking, it goes the other way.
It's a fact. I seen
No,
that
they
shit.
don't pad those numbers up for unemployment. My bad, underemployment. No, because you know they talk about this amount of people are employed, but they don't talk about people being underemployed and like, not getting a full time work hourly week, meaning no benefits. So some people work without benefits.
Fuck that shit. As soon as I see a red folder and it says unemployment claim, I'm just like, what it got going on? I know exactly what to do with 30.
But you know what? I don't usually say this for indices versus currency pairs. You could know what's up. You can know the news coming up front before you get involved. Well, indices, you don't know what from what. You know what I'm saying? You could be in some shit and get caught up to some. No, I mean, currency pairs, you get caught up to something else. Even with gold, the reason why you get all these, because of all of these news events. Oh, yeah, I back tested with the CHF news, with the dollar news, with the Japanese news, even with the CAD news, that affects how gold moves.
Alright, stop loss under the lows, so I'm in profit. Stop loss here
Yeah,
on
boy,
these
and this
lows.
the thing. I guess the thing I like about indices. Oh yeah, and why people trade indices because you know what's up. I mean, you can take advantage of it.
Stop loss under these lows, but yeah,
Speaking of taking advantage, I know y'all took advantage of that free 5K that was given out.
nah, bro.
Tweaking.
Oh yeah, for my fund for it.
Hell no.
No, hell no. I'm still looking for my refund from that. Hell no.
My funding for it.
This nigga tripping.
No, my fund FX. They're giving out.
That's the same thing.
Alpha Capital, they giving it out and shit.
This nigga, yo, bro. Yo, you just said the same thing. You said my phone and Forex, and then you said nah, my phone and FX. Same thing.
Yeah, my fund FX. The actual site. You can look it up.
Bro,
Nah, it is. Yeah, that's it. That's a different. That's a whole different.
it's a different thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
you're
okay.
Right.
Yeah, there's a couple that got damn near the same name.
That shit dumb.
Nah, Alpha Capital thorough though. Thorough.
I feel like they only do that because they want people to join their platform.
They was in competition with funding pips. And I guess
Yo, that shit happened to.
Pips.
Giving $32 for a 5K account, so you could do a little DoorDash there and there. Buy you 5 to 10, 5 different accounts, 3 different accounts.
They was Funding Forex was talking some shit talking about their best profit or whatever. They got the lowest prices. So Alpha Capital came out last week was like, you know what, fuck it, we're giving out free 5Ks. Them niggas sold 50,000. Well, not sold, but gave 50,000 5Ks.
But you know what's the crazy thing, bro?
What's up?
Niggas still gonna fail it.
Niggas
still gonna blow it.
That's why they don't care, bro.
They know they don't care because they know niggas still gonna blow it, bro. They know it already.
I grabbed a motherfucker. I passed phase 1 yesterday and then phase 2 today. So we're gonna see.
Bro, KOT tried to give out free shit, bro, and they didn't even give me my shit.
Bruh, you know how many 10Ks I passed under different emails and they ain't give me shit?
They give you, yeah.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. They don't even have no obligation to pay that shit.
Yeah, bro.
They did that shit, bro. I was mad as a motherfucker.
I'm glad I did with the free one, though. Cause I
Yeah. Nigga, I passed the first 2 10Ks off of US30. Easy buys, nigga. The same day I got it. And then, cause I over risked. I was like, this shit free. I can do
This
it.
shit free. That's what everybody think. This shit free. Let me fuck it up.
Bro, that's a fact.
Nigga, my vault, I got, in my vault on my computer, I got like 7 emails. Different emails, nigga. I got erased. But then I remember they could look at the IP address, obviously.
Word, they can look at the IP address.
But
Fact.
still, nigga, I passed what, 5 out of 7? But them bitches with 1 trade, nigga. It's over risking, but the shit hit.
They still ain't paying nobody out. They still ain't getting nobody around. Nothing. I heard nothing about those shits. Nothing. That shit went flat. Nothing happened.
Bro, I signed into them and they was talking about, it still says pending pending for phase 2. That shit was when? 2 months ago? 3 months ago?
Yeah, like 3 months plus now.
Yeah, I say, yeah, fuck you too, Q.
That's why I'm not interested in the 5K giveaway, 10K giveaway. It's a waste of time.
He has a little New Year's party at his little compound.
Are you talking about Cuban?
Yeah.
Yeah, he own that shit.
I don't know. I get weirdo vibes from that nigga, bro. I don't know.
He a bitch, nigga. That's why when at his little New Year's party, nigga, I'm pulling up on that nigga.
They gonna have security and all that shit,
I'm
bro.
pulling up to the compound, nigga. I'm gonna fuck him. I'm gonna tell you to his face.
I don't know. I'm thinking if I wanted to pull up, I'm gonna see what Dre on.
I don't know. I'm thinking
My
about
fault.
You close though. You're not that close. You in Tampa
Jimmy,
too.
you
You ain't
close.
that close. Let's see. What? But we wouldn't even stay the whole night. I wouldn't even stay the whole night. Like I would
it.
just.
I ain't gonna lie. I don't even want to be around people like that at this point. I really don't. Like, I've been cooling
No,
by
no,
myself,
Bell.
chilling. What's cracking with nigga?
Go ahead, my fault. I cut you off.
No, you good. You good. Nah, I couldn't be around people like that. Niggas that, cause you know everybody gonna pull up in their best. They gonna try to show out.
Yeah, it's gonna be a show off party.
Y'all niggas gonna be mad when I pull up in the Civic.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
No, man, don't handle it. All you gotta do is use a laptop and you can run it down.
I'm gonna get the type bar, put the laptop in it.
Niggas tweaking, bro. All these niggas going to Q Bank's compound just to be a part of something that they possibly won't even be. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Bro, it sucks, bro. This is why fame is so scary, bro. Because Q was such a thorough nigga back in the day, bro. But all of these niggas be moving walking on.
Bro, that's it. That's why I be saying, like, when I said, like, money changes you. That's why we was talking, me, Dyson, and Sean, we was talking about this probably last week. Like, money changes you, bro. You
like
can talk about what you
this
want
was
to talk
just
about.
Friday.
I don't think
last
it
one.
changes you. I think it makes you more the person you already were. Like,
He
not
said
doing
that
something
too.
wrong.
It does that too, but it changes you because now the other people around you, it changes them too. So it brings a certain type of level of other characteristics out of the people that you were cool with. Because now, like, you went from being broke and now you got money and nobody else around you got money.
Hear me out. I don't think it's necessarily the money. I think it's also the attention they get with the money that changes them. As well.
Yeah, true.
Yeah,
That's also
yeah,
true.
yeah.
True.
Because I feel like if we all get money and we always holding each other accountable, we're not gonna be like that.
But it's still, if you have attention, it still changes you because now
That's what I'm saying.
you're bigger than what you were before.
It gets to your head for sure. Especially
Yeah.
for niggas who don't like
Fame-
never, like dealt with it for a long time.
Fame is a dangerous drug, bro.
knowing-
It's a dangerous drug, bro. Very dangerous drug.
bro, I'm telling you, bro. Niggas going over there for the wrong thing. And I'm going over there to look for that. Trying to see where that nigga money at.
Nah, he not gonna. He gonna have bodyguards, bro. Don't waste your time, my boy. You know where you at. You know where you at, bro. Don't act like that, bro. You know where you at. You're in Florida.
Look, niggas going over there. I'm a Florida boy. Nigga, matter.
Niggas got the yams in Florida. Come on now. Niggas got the steel in Florida. You don't want to do that.
All these little ass traders, right? They going over
This
there.
is a blue ass trade.
Listen. They all
Nigga, we the
over
little
there.
ass traders.
No, I'm telling
It's
you,
a fact.
right? Look,
It's a fact.
They going over there with their little satchel or whatever man purse they got on around their chest, and one of them is gonna have bands on like an idiot. They gonna be flashing to the camera and all this other shit.
Bro, why you plotting, bro? You live in Florida. This is a Florida event.
Doesn't matter, nigga.
Niggas gonna have the steel. They gonna have the hammer, bro.
I'm going to
Alright.
I'm going straight home after I cop that shit, nigga, and I'm buying a 500K account.
All right, do your thing, my boy. I'm just trying to tell you, niggas gonna have the hammer, bro.
Niggas
So,
ain't gonna
I'ma have the hammer, nigga.
Niggas gonna have the hammer, bro. I'm just telling you. The
Niggas
grip is gonna be on lock.
Only thing they
Telling
do
you.
is pull up their phones, nigga, and show trade.
You wanna bet?
And they pulling
You wanna bet? I'm telling you, niggas got the hammer, bro.
Man, they're gonna have security, man.
Fuck security. They gonna have hammers, bro. They gonna have security. They're gonna have guns of their own.
Obviously,
They
they gonna
own
have a
them.
little security.
All that.
Come on, bro. All
It's
that
a bad plan, bro.
in one compound,
This is me giving you accountability right here, Bells. It's a bad plan. Cancel plan. Abort mission.
Can't say he didn't warn you.
Still a
Can't say I didn't warn you. It's a bad plan.
hood nigga at the end of the day,
Abort
cuz.
mission, bro. It's a bad plan.
I'm still a hood.
I'm about to just hit a leg.
We can hit a lick on the charts. The craziest part is the best lick is right here.
This nigga Kino always the dad of that shit, bro.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'd be a problem if I was to really start robbing niggas, because I wouldn't be satisfied with niggas. I'd start moving on to heavier shit like banks, and then I'm telling you, get for real, bro. I'd be the Joker out here. I don't do that, right?
Life is not the same anymore, bro.
It's all jokes and games.
It's all jokes and games, bro. Just laugh about it and let's move on. Cause niggas. Oh yeah, this is live, by the way. This is fucking live.
Yeah, the fans listening, bro.
Fans listening, bro. I am live on YouTube. I'm
Alright,
live on
alright,
YouTube,
bro.
Live on YouTube,
Live on YouTube is wicked, bro. You should have said all that.
bro. Why are you talking about that? I'm always live on YouTube.
Said all that, bro.
I'm always live on YouTube, bro.
Think about it. You sitting there watching porn in your bed on your phone, you watching. What the fuck?
That's a fact. All right, it stopped me out. It stopped me out.